Hello friends, welcome to our channel My Pen My Creativity. Today we are going to write and learn an essay on Children's Day. First line: Good morning everyone. Second line: First, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Next line: Today is 14 November. Next line: We celebrate Children's Day on this day. Next line: It is also known as Bal Diwas. Line number 6. This day is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This day is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Seventh line: He was the first Prime Minister of India. Next line: He loved children very much. Ninth line: Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. And the last line: Children's Day is a very happy day for children. Thank you. Hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel. This is a essay on Children's Day. Please do subscribe my channel.